That's the East Fork of the Carson coming up to the headwaters here.
Our generation needs an anthem to believe. And her eyes like the ocean on parade. Our generation needs an anthem to believe.
We're continuing up the final steps of the PCT to the gap between East Fork of the Carson and Wolf Creek Lake. You're with TahoeToWhitney.com. We're at about 10,000 feet, crossing a divide between these two drainages. The massive drainage of the East Fork of the Carson and the mini drainage of Wolf Creek. Wolf Creek just starts in a lake at a little below 10,000 feet, then makes an immediate left turn and heads east to Pickle Meadow, the Marine Corps cold weather training station. Right there's the gap we're going for. Sonora Peak. Disaster and relief, I do believe. We're at the Crest now. Ah, flat again, right on. Let's get moving, kids. You're hiking with Al on TahoeToWhitney.com. Woohoo! Al from the Crest, the divide between East Fork of the Carson and Wolf Creek Lake. I'll be right back when we get a view of the lake. Al out. We're moving around to the west side of the canyon that Wolf Creek Lake sits in the headwaters. There's your first view. We've moved around to the west side. Now we're climbing up towards the Sonora Gap, which will drop us over to the Red Rock Trail that ultimately, a couple of miles, leads down to Sonora Pass. There's a little campsite right over there, over this little rise. But it has no water now because all the tarns that supplied that campsite in particular with water have dried out. Here's our little climb up. Wolf Creek Lake is stunningly beautiful. I've got a series of pictures of it in winter, spring, summer, and fall, and it just is beautiful and all. All out. Wolf Creek Lake, which you can see drains out and then immediately turns left. It's a quick exit out of the Sierras during wintertime or spring. The ridges leading to the Sierras are all covered with beautiful mist in the valleys. Stunningly beautiful. I hope you can pick it up here. It's an hour and a half after sunrise, and we're heading up to the Sonora Gap above Sonora Pass to the south. Al from Tahoe to Whitney out. Happy trails.